Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. How do we make our video fit? How do we set the scale, size, or whatever you want to call it? How do we make it fit? I'm going to show you how to make it fit. Okay, so I have this beautiful video of this really handsome man, okay? And I'm going to show you two ways, hence why I have two clips. Okay, so the first way, right click on your video and just press scale to frame size. And look at that, hey? Magically the exact same size. That's your first way, okay? That way is great if it has the same aspect ratio. If it doesn't, I'll show you this way, okay? So, second clip now. I can either go into the effects controls and press scale here, okay? Match it to whatever it needs to be. Or, make your life a lot easier, double click on your video, just drag it until it fits. That's how you make video fit. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.